It was my first day of internship at World Trade Center, and I'm like, it was good. Internship experience was good, honestly. So I'm interning at Try. This is my internship and it is really good and हवा चल रही है and honestly everything is like so good. The team is so good, like what I had imagined and what I've got to know. That's it's completely opposite because I was expecting a very intimidating environment because again it's a very professional internship, it's a very professional setup. So I was expecting a bit intimidating environment and a bit strict and a disciplined one. Intimidating I think is a very heavy word that I'm using, but again the work culture is good, the environment is good and everything is so good over here. The canteen is also so good. Like I have tried their pasta just now, pasta and coffee. Cold coffee is not so good, but yes, the hot coffee is very good. Their red sauce pasta, I think, I'm so sorry, not the red sauce pasta, but yes, the normal pasta is so good. So yeah, I'll show you, I'll give a tour of everything to you, and a proper reel is going to come very soon. Bye. And all, this is the notebook and I would be writing every day what I learned, right? Day 1, day 2, day 3, अभी day 3 है and इवनिंग जो मैं सीख रही हूँ एंड अभी यहाँ पर किसी का बर्थडे है सो केक कटने वाला है एंड एवरीथिंग. So the work that we did was, it was Z Turner versus Try, this issue that happened between the two. TDSAT said something else. TDSAT supported the broadcaster's viewpoint. TDSAT basically impugned the order that was passed by Try. Then further the matter went up to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court said that there was this cap of 35%, which is regarding this like the wholesale tariff rate. So Supreme Court, the initial order, the clause said was not more than 35%, but Supreme Court said 42%. So I was just checking the orders, but now the things have been repealed. Now things have automatically, like, they've been repealed. Like the tariff order came in the year 2010, then it was amended again and again, then it was finally repealed in the year 2017. I just gave the present status, downloaded everything and all. And what else I did? Then I had to read वो जो कल मैं बात बता रही थी, reply rejoinder. You can see the weather is so bad that I can see the vases now. The vases have also fallen. And I think I'm gonna also fly in a few minutes because this wind is really. एंड अब जो नेक्स्ट काम है वो ये है कि सैटरडे संडे है तो मेरे को एंजॉय करना है और थोड़ा बैठना है आराम से, थोड़ा रेस्ट करना है. 5 दिन बहुत ज़्यादा हेक्टिक रहे हैं, उसमें से एक दिन मेरे को फूड पॉइजनिंग हो गई थी सो आई कुडंट गो एंड बहुत लेट निकली. आज मैं 5:40 बजे निकली. This is shot number 2, so the day is absolutely gusty today. There was this big Supreme Court, a big voluminous case file that I had to read. This case file was to the tune of 1000 pages and we completed it successfully. We understood each and everything. There are a lot many technical terms that were used, but again, now we've got the meaning of all those things. So we analyzed it a bit. And I usually do not make notes while reading a case file, but I had to make notes because I had to explain that particular case to the employee. मेरी में एनर्जी जा चुकी है, मैं वेट कर रही हूँ लिटरली कि कब टाइम ख़त्म होगा, कब मैं जाऊँ, बिकॉज आई एम फीलिंग वेरी स्लीपी नाउ एंड बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज़ डन राइट. इंटर्नशिप इज़ डन, आई हैव नथिंग टू डू नाउ, देयर इज़ नो वर्क टू बी डन, आई हैव कंप्लीटेड ऑल द वर्क, सो देयर इज़ नो पॉइंट राइट. सो या आई थिंक नाउ इट्स द फोटो टाइम. देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल टेम्पल ऑल्सो, देयर इज़ अ स्मॉल टेम्पल पीछे. चलो, I'm alone in this room. Let me give you a tour of this room. Is a training hall where we are sitting. जब भी ऊपर जगह होती है तो we sit ऊपर, और क्योंकि ऊपर इंटर्न्स के लिए जगह नहीं होती है, this is basically the Yamuna conference hall and we sit with all the interns, BTech interns etc. and this is the flag of the country. गिनकर 7 interns होंगे, 7 भी ज़्यादा बोल रही हूँ, 6 होंगे, और जहाँ पर लीगल के 2 हैं इंक्लूडिंग मी, बीटेक के आई थिंक 2 या 3 हैं, और एक सीए का एक इंटर्न है,